sheep are transitioning well. They're Dorper Cat Haddens mix, Cat Haydens, whatever. We'll put a ram with them come December. We're gonna put a Cat Hayden ram with them, and I'm mispronouncing it. You guys can help me with the pronunciation. I pronounce everything hillbilly. But you could see that girl has a lot of the Dorper traits in her, but we're going to breed back to Cat Hayden and keep breeding back that way. I just have heard the resiliency of the Cat Haydens, and Dorpers are more meatier, but I just want resilient goats, and I'll goats. That's the other part of the farm. I just want resilient does. Ewes. Gosh, getting my goats and my sheep mixed up. I'm all messed up today, so let me have it in the comments below. Let me have it. I deserve it. But cross them back so the next generation just be 25% Dorper, so on and so forth. But anyway, they are settling in, getting a little bit used to us, and just beautiful girls. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day.